Hello, all. Greg the Grilling Guy here, and it's the weekend and it's sports time. We've got a Phoenix Rising game tonight. We've got an Arizona Cardinals game tomorrow, so it's a perfect time to make some tailgate bratwurst. And I'm going to show you kind of the secrets that I have for making these bratwursts. What you're going to need is a jalapeno, some cream cheese, some brats. They can be beer brats, they can be regular brats, they can be just about anything that you're looking for, and some bacon to make this recipe. First thing we're going to do is start by dicing the jalapeno. When it comes to cutting the jalapeno, always make sure you wear gloves. Otherwise, it's going to end poorly for you. Once it's sliced in half, go through and pull out all the seeds as well as the inner rind, because that is where a lot of the excessive heat is going to come from versus just the flavor which you're going to get out of the shell. I like to dice the jalapenos up very fine. You might be able to do the same thing with the food processor, but there's something about cutting with a knife that just seems natural. Once the jalapeno is all diced, get some cream cheese, leave it out on the counter. Make sure it softens up a bit because you're going to want to mix the jalapenos in. And you're going to put as many jalapenos in as you like for flavor and heat. My wife is not going to eat any of these, so therefore I will be putting in as many as I want, and I like the heat. Get those all well and mixed in. All right, once we have those set, you're going to get your brats and you're going to canoe them. By what I mean by canoe is you're going to put a slice into the belly so you can put the cream cheese inside. Be careful cutting through these things. You don't want to go all the way through because you want to be able to open it up, but you also want to be able to reseal these things once they're done. So we'll get these cut up. All right, now that I've got these brats all opened up, I'm going to put in a little bit of rub. This is called sweet heat, and it's got a picture of a squirrel on it. That's frightening. We're then going to take the cream cheese and jalapeno mixture and put that into the opened brats. Once the cream cheese is set, a little bit more sweet heat. Now we're going to seal these up and then wrap them in the bacon. Because let's face it, bacon makes everything better. All right, now that those are all wrapped, I'll put them in the fridge for the night. Tomorrow morning, I'll put them on the barbecue on an indirect heat for about 45 minutes. I'll put some smoke in there. I'm also going to do some sauteed bell peppers and onions to go alongside with a little bit of sauerkraut. And I'll do some of the tailgate beans, my mom's famous baked beans, that I'll include the recipe in the link below. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do like what you're seeing, hit the like and subscribe button. It lets me know I'm doing a good job and helps me to grow the channel so I continue to bring you more content. So until then, grill it real good.